microcurrent light therapy device. Oh, we already got some instructions coming out of here. Let's start by unpackaging this. So it comes this box. I haven't taken a look at this yet, so I'm definitely excited. Here we go. Here is the device. Now I've been seeing this all over my Instagram and stuff, so I'm really excited to try it out. You just charge it by USB. It also comes with this other head right here. All right, so I just plugged it in and the lights are blinking, so I'm gonna let that charge. Let that